Good day, everyone. I am Lovely May Kibol, a third-year IP student from St. Rita's College of Balingasag. Today, I will teach you how to use MySQL LK syntax. First is to open the WAM server and go to MySQL console. The LK's function converts the value of a field to uppercase. In this tutorial, I will use the employee underscore DB. Here are the following SQL LK syntax. First is to create a database which is employee underscore DB semicolon. The second is to input use employee underscore DB, which identifies what database you are using. The third is to create a table employee, which has the following attributes. First is the employee underscore ID, which has an integer of 10, unassigned, O2 increment, primary key, not null. The second attribute is employee underscore full name, which has a varchar of 30, not null. And the third attribute is employee underscore gender, which has a varchar of 10, not null. And the fourth attribute is employee underscore address, which has the varchar of 40, not null. And the last attribute is employee underscore hire date, not null. And don't forget to put a semicolon. Now is the time for inserting values in the employee database. It has two values. One, which identifies the first value, which is Ardel Mialdo. A male. He is from Napalaran, and his hire date is March 28, 2015. And the last value, which is the second value, is Lovely May Kibol, a female from Barangay Dos, and her hire date is March 25, 2015. So now is the time for looking the whole values from the selected employee database. Select an asterisk from employee semicolon, enter. And here are the following values. First is Ardel Meldio and the following information, and the second is Lovely May Cable, also her information, which are the employee's gender, employee address, and also the employee hire date. And now is to select the lowercase from employee full name. From employee, enter. And here are the following lowercase employee full name. Ardel Mialdo and Lovely May Kibol. For more info, visit www